It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 100. Which of the following must be true about limit of this expression, this function? Okay, limit as h approaches 0 and we have h in our denominator. This expression comes from the derivative of the function, right? So the definition of the derivative of f at x equal a, which can be written as f prime a, is equal to limit as h approaches 0, f a plus h minus f of a over h, right? So this expression right here, sine 2 pi over 4 plus h, that has to be f a plus h, right? So f of a plus h is equal to sine 2 times pi over 4 plus h, right? So a plus h, pi over 4 plus h. This means a has to be pi over 4, right? So f of x is then equal to sine 2x, right? Instead of this expression, I have x, pi over 4 plus h. Instead of a pi over 4 plus h here, I have x, right? Instead of this expression, I substituted x. Does that make sense? So function is equal to sine 2x, and this we have to check. This expression right here is equal to this expression. F of a, well, a is actually pi over 4, right? So f of a is equal to f of a pi over 4. That is equal to, if the function f of x is equal to this, that's a sine 2 times pi over 4, which is equal to sine pi over 2. So sine pi over 2, that's 1, right? So we have 1 here. Does that make sense? So function f of x is equal to sine 2x. Okay, so far so good. All of this expression is equal to f prime a, or in this case f prime pi over 4, right? So all of this value is equal to f prime pi over 4, right? So when we look at answer choices, f prime, all of this limit value is equal to f prime pi over 4, where f of x is equal to sine 2x. So the answer has to be B.